In this video, I will guide you through the process of configuring your HiLook DVR for online access. We will connect the DVR to the internet and link it to a smartphone, allowing you to monitor your security cameras remotely from anywhere. First, connect a LAN cable from the network port on your DVR to an available port on your internet router. Any internet service provider will work as long as there is an active internet connection. Next, connect an HDMI cable from the DVR to your monitor. For this demonstration, we will configure the system directly using the monitor screen. Let us move over to the display to begin the setup. Once you're on the monitor screen, navigate to the Configuration menu and select Network. In the network settings, ensure that DHCP is enabled and Auto Obtain DNS is turned on. This allows the DVR to automatically receive an IP address from your router. By default, the factory IP address for a HiLook device is 192.168.1.64. If the numbers on your screen have changed from the default 64, it confirms that your router has successfully assigned a new IP address. Next, proceed to the Platform Access tab. Make sure the Enable checkbox is checked and verify that the connection status displays as online. Regarding stream encryption, enabling this option provides better security, which is highly recommended. If enabled, any user sharing this access will be required to enter a verification code. If you prefer an easier setup for sharing, you can leave it turned off. After making your adjustments, click Close and then click Apply to save the configuration. Now let us switch to the smartphone. You will need to install either the HiLookVision or hik-connect application. For this tutorial, we will be using the HiLookVision app. Once downloaded, open the application. Make sure you are logged in to your account. If you do not have an account yet, tap Register. Accept the terms, select Indonesia as your region, and confirm. You can register using either an email address or a mobile phone number. Simply follow the prompts to create a password and complete the verification process. Since I already have an account, I will log in using my credentials. Once logged in, tap the plus icon in the top right corner and select Scan QR Code. Now scan the QR code displayed on your monitor screen. The app will confirm that the device has been added successfully. Tap Next, then you can skip the audio support and installer authorization prompts for now. The device is now fully linked. To view the live feed, simply tap the play icon. Since there are no cameras physically connected to this test unit, the screen mirrors the blank channels shown on the monitor. As you can see, the smartphone app successfully reflects our monitor display. The DVR is now completely configured for remote viewing on both Android and iOS devices. You can now securely monitor your system from anywhere over the internet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.